So, third video update on how we're doing. So, thank you very much to Matt for my new sign. Need to get a bigger one. Virtually finished the track mat stuff. I'll show you what I've done with the power. I've got some new purchases which I'm very pleased about. Get this thing going. As you can see, I've now got the elevation sorted. I've realised I've had to extend the track. Well, I will be extending it all the way down the loft, as can't have many coaches, but this train is amazing. It doesn't go that fast compared to the old ones, but I think it might be because it's ready for DC, but I love the lights on it and everything. It is pretty awesome. So that's going around the outside. Then if I bring it back, I can switch it on to the inside track of my track mat. So let's just stop there, flick him over, bring him back, and there you go. So we should just now go around the second inner circle, and then I also have the inner circle one now running as well. So, a couple of questions to everybody. I've cheated a bit by not doing all soldering. So I've done all my connections underneath this points building that Bachmann do. Absolutely love it, but as you can see, I've put all the connections in on Wagos. And it works absolutely brilliant, and it's hidden by the building. So I plan to do that with quite a few of my bits, is where there's emptiness underneath on any of the buildings, I think I'll bring it up inside. I'm not planning to light up every building, so we'll see how we go, and that's the latest update. I have extended some of the track over here, so as you can see, I'm now planning, this is the next plan, is for the dock side to come over here, and as I say, I'm going to have to extend all the way down there now so I can get a complete run the whole way along with like a freight train or something like that. But I have got this all set up at the minute. I'm hoping to be able to so we can have a road bridge like this next to the two train tracks, and then the rest, this will be like part of a river coming in, and then this part here will be all part of an island. Anyway, that's where we are at the minute. It's taken me ages to sort out wiring. I have also finished off this front bit, so the next thing I need to do is move all the controllers onto obviously a suitable point at the front, and then start extending the track around this way. Disappointed in my, I wanted to really use this, but I thought I'd fixed it by connecting some of the power back up and all the lights come on, but it doesn't put out any voltage. So I've had to test, so I spent most of my time doing electronics. So there you go. Any comments in the field, let me know. Oh, also couplers for wagons onto the locos and things like that. I don't know why people use, I think they're called KD couplings. They're like a knuckle sort of thing. I've got Lomac wagons for the tanks and Bachmann 50-ton ones, and they just drag on the track. I can't believe, it's just so annoying, as I fitted them all up, I put weight inside them and they just hit the track. So I'm going magnetic. If anybody else has any suggestions, and they're also a pain in the arse to undo, so I don't know why people use them, but there you go. Anyway, any suggestions is most welcome, and hopefully I'll be able to do another one quite shortly. Thanks, bye.